pair of Soundoff Signal mPowers up on the roof rack. This truck's almost done. Got a set of cannons going in the headlights. There's a set of mPowers up top on the roof rack. Dual color amber white. Pair of Feniex cannons in the reverse light. And then all the equipment has a flood override, which I'll show. The front and the rear are also isolated so they can flash the rear and have work lights in the front, and vice versa. There's the mPowers in the front on flood mode. As I said, this truck is not yet finished. I have a set of cannons in amber white going in the front headlights. They will operate the same as the cannons in the taillights. We're not replacing DOT lights. Remember to trust your experts. 412 PSE Customs, 412-708-6732.